In this video we are going to see that how can we center the text both horizontally and vertically in Microsoft Excel. The reason why we are doing this tutorial is because a centered text not only looks neat, but it gives a professional standout to the content that is present in your cell. So without any further ado, let's start with the tutorial. First of all, you need to select the column or the row whose text you want to center. First of all, we would be working with a horizontal center. So this is the column we have. Let's just select this whole column. Now in the home tab, you need to go to this alignment group. Here we have 6 options. The bottom 3 are for the horizontal alignment. So let's just go with the centered content. So this would make the content centered horizontally. If we want to do the same thing vertically, what we need to do first of all is increase the row area. Right, so this is the area of this particular cell. Now we can just align it vertically as well. Right now it's at the bottom, but say you want it at the middle as well. So you can just click on this particular option, that is the upper 3 options that are available, which help you to align it vertically, the middle alignment. So this is how your text would look, and that's all for this tutorial.